Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking about the lifestyle of wild people today. I hope you enjoy the video. We do need nature to survive. Nature provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the materials we use to build our homes and make our clothes. Living in harmony with nature means understanding our place in the natural world and respecting the interconnectedness of all living things. It means living in a way that does not harm the environment or deplete natural resources. It also means finding ways to connect with nature on a personal level and appreciate its beauty and wonder. In this video, our brave man comes over to the pond and collects freshwater snails. Freshwater snails are edible and are a good source of protein and other nutrients. They are a popular food in many parts of the world, including our man in this video. Before eating freshwater snails, it is important to clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. They can then be cooked in a variety of ways, such as boiling, frying, or grilling. Here in this video, he fries snails with curry paste. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thanks again for watching.